Is it stuck in there?
Really? Not even that big?
No.
Now we just got to wait.
I was tracking Liam's head. This one's actually got tracking, face tracking, I think. Doesn't seem to blow the sky out and stuff as much, this camera. I'm guessing it's because of the bigger sensor. Because if you noticed, the video on my other camera doesn't blow the sky out either. And that has got a much bigger sensor.
Have you seen the theme park? They haven't taken down anything.
It's not a theme park, Liam. It's just that, babe. It's a lot lighter to carry. The other one is so heavy.
Which way?
That way.
That way? Okay. Do you need the bumper?
Well, we're going to have to walk past that to see it. We're not going anywhere near it though, Liam.
Oh, I'm glad I wore this coat.
Well, this is alright.
I said...
Look at the moon.
I know. I said, is it near the
Come up
sunset?
on there.
No.
See the moon? Not really.
I
I don't
said,
even
is
know where it would
near
be in the
sunset?
sky. Oh, there it is. You can just see it. I don't know if you can actually take pictures. Stills, hang on.
I'm ready.
I don't know.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
I forgot to bring my white chocolate.
Why would you bring chocolate?
I don't know. To eat it whilst you're watching.
They're not on for long.
Why?
Cold.
10 minutes.
Wait, they're 10 minutes. That's not worth it.
Let's track in the sea now.
Another one. Do they go fast?
Not as fast as once in Japan.
Like the bullet. The bullet. They're called the bullet.
It might be a bitch
Oh,
to
Liam,
get
don't start
focused.
that again.
No, because we haven't got time for you to walk on those.
And you haven't got proper trainers on. Come on.
I
Please.
I didn't Liam, please. Someone like climbing.
Yes, but we also don't have time for you to walk on there to get round there.
Why can I hear that?
This is the way the wind's blowing.
Oh, I bet this has got loads of wind noise. I didn't turn the wind noise thing off, did I? I don't know if you can do it when it's on. No.
Oh, they're cute. Did you see those ducks? Don't even take any of my energy off.
Mind where you're going.
Yeah, I'll go back.
Did you bring your wallet?
No, it's in the car. I completely forgot.
Down there.
So what? That's where we would have come out. Sort of near there. It might be quite a good place to park on the White Cliff to get them to go to the skate park. Because then they can go all the way back, can't they? It's not just straight to the car. Yeah, I have as well. Right on the end.
Yes, it's dinner.
Let's see where the shallow bits are. Where it's standing. Oh, definitely should glad I didn't put my finna jumper on. It's, oh, I could flip the screen up. Oh, there we go.
Just look at what's going on. Go straight to the park, look.
Hello, look. We can see each other.
It's quite bright.
Well, we'll see. It depends how it's
Like Andy's
focusing.
videos.
Huh?
I said like Andy's videos.
We are walking. Yeah. Although I'm not looking at the lens, I'm looking at the screen, which is a bit of a bitch. It's tracking my face well. That's only tracking focus.
Why would you closer to the sunset?
Because we've got to walk sort of around it, I guess. It's going to get noisy. Huh? Thanks to what? Oh.
Gangster's Paradise.
Where? I didn't hear it. Really?
What?
It's fallen over. There we go. I flipped the screen down now after I knocked it all out of her. I've never seen it like this when Sea's gone out.
I didn't know that was there.
What?
No, it was a beach.
Was not. That's it going out, babe.
Yeah, I know, but that's what I meant. Didn't
Not really a beach, it's just skank. Backwash.
Lorna sat in some car park this morning waiting all morning for her COVID tests
Oh God.
to be able to get back into the country.
Why that long?
So we just had to wait.
That's just shit.
Next door to a rave.
Oh God, get out and have a dance. Right, let me just stop recording. Oh, I can't remember how. Where's the button? Apparently these all cameras will only ever record 30 minutes because otherwise they're classed as a video camera and you have to pay more tax, or the company has to pay tax on it if it's a video camera. That's ridiculous, I don't know why. I was just reading about it. So I read the maximum time it will record for. You're going to fall and hurt yourself in a minute. You'll catch one right in your leg or something. You could actually break your ankle or your leg if you get your foot caught in between and carry on.
Not doing it on the way back. Why?
Because it'd be pitch black.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, I should have brought my little light. Oh, it's got no mount, has it? For vlogging. Some bikes or scooters coming here. I can't tell how they're bikes. I've seen the legs going round. See, it would be a good ride if it went further, and something's just gone in my ear
What do
again.
you mean a good ride?
Riding on the bike.
Oh,
If it actually went a little bit further. But it doesn't, does it? It's like from there.
I suppose you could go away from the sandbags.
Yeah, but I mean, just on this sort of track. But you can't really go to, because it ends at the thingy, doesn't it? Where the car park is,
Yeah.
pretty much. Are they going to move over, or are they just going to be dicks? What? You've never seen that before? Really? I've seen them when I've been on the road, babe. You've never seen that before?
No.
What, the little bike thing?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, God, you can't turn the lens.
Birds.
Huh?
Birds.
Oh, hang on, I'm just zooming. Oh, it's not very good at zooming on distance. Oh, come on. No, it doesn't like to focus on that. There we go. It's sort of cleared it up a little bit. Right, so it doesn't like focusing on distant objects, like the fair. That doesn't matter. I don't know if I've got it in continuous autofocus. That might be what the issue is. It might just focus on one thing and then stop.
This house love that fair, don't you?
Well, the wind's blowing it away today, so it's not too bad, is it?
Nowadays, don't they? 11.
I don't know. No, not yet. It will be now. Or his body. Or your face. Well, it's more focused on the things behind it. I have to check the focus at some point. Can't see if it's just a big blur of lights. Yeah, I know. It's not tracking that anyway. No, it's off to Bouncy Island. Polestar. No, that can't be the Polestar. Polestar. Normally it says brightest star in the sky is a Polestar. Not think that way. Oh, it's those funny little birds again. Huh? The fair. Always have Mr. Love on that. Enjoy the sea. And dry their clothes. Yeah, I keep getting bugs in my eyes, my ears. I don't know if you can go past. I don't know if you can go past the car park. As in, past it? Yeah, but you have to then go back onto the road.
No.
Oh, you did? Jesus, that's loud. Oh, I'll tell you something, I can't see what battery life you got. It says it's recording. Oh yeah.
Oh, he's like
Well, not really, they're a bit old. Yeah, it's very old. Now that Merc over there is just tucked down here. That's quite nice actually, that. Like that's a CLS. I was going to get a CLS. Right, let's turn the recording off for the moment.